So here I got a pack of 4 of exhaust, universal exhaust rubber hangers. So these are rubber hangers that, for instance, you get an aftermarket exhaust like I did, and the clearance is a little tight and you want a little bit more clearance. So you get a pack of these that you think fit, and or if you lose, you're doing a project car and you need exhaust hangers for the muffler, well, this is the pack to get. Pack of 4, nice quality, and let's show you how to put them on real quick. Issues. So I change out this rubberized hanger. So what I do is I can slide it off this way. We have the hanger here, so this hangs a little bit lower, so I can get better clearance, definitely. So I'll put these on. It's kind of hard to shoot here. So after struggling, I got them on, and it definitely helped my clearance. So this way there's no rattle, and I had a clearance issue, but if you just need new exhaust hangers, then this is a cool pack to have, pack of 4. And so these are exactly how they're described. They give me a little bit more clearance, easy to slip on and off, and they do the job. Pack of 4 auxiliary or universal exhaust hangers.